Hello everyone and welcome back to HighLevel Techie. This is Jitin here and today we are going to learn how you can build GoHighLevel conversational AI that can trigger a workflow from an FAQ chatbot. Okay, so let's see that in action first. So here is my website and here is my chatbot that is powered by GHL conversation AI. So let me start with a simple hi. Hi. So let me be a very rude customer. And let's push the bot to its boundaries. And the bot has replied, oh, wow, we have our amazing offer with only 5 spots left. Interested, just need the full name and details. Why? Here, we are not going to give the details just yet. Let's see what happens. Then the bot is trying to tell you that we understand your preference, but we need your contact to deliver the details because that's how the automation works. It's Johnny there. Then it should ask for my email address as well. So that's my email. So now I have given my contact details, then it should give me the detail, right? There you go. So I have now the board has given me a link here. And if I click this link, it will take me to the offer details. When I click this link, it is not only going to take me to the details page, but in the back end, we also get a notification because this person has just clicked on a trigger link. So now we are going to check out the contact details. And you can see John Duff is here and the name has been captured, which is great. And I'm using GoHighLevel's conversation AI and the name has been captured. If you want to check out my previous video, I have created another video showing how the name is captured using GoHighLevel conversation AI. Please go and check it out. And here, the interesting thing is that now you can see a test trigger link click under this contact. And this contact has just created from this conversation. Since this contact has clicked the trigger link, we can send this contact to any automation that gets triggered by trigger link action. So this is how you can add contacts to any automation using trigger link that is coming from the chatbot, right? So now let's go and look at how we can set it up using conversation AI. So we go here, click on conversational AI and go to configure intent. And you can see I'm only using the FAQ board, support and general question answer board, not the appointment booking board, but you can also use it under appointment booking board as well. Today, they have actually released a new update and you can actually trigger a workflow after booking, but we are talking about triggering a workflow even without any booking. All you have to do is to get that contact details and you can trigger that workflow using trigger links. So to do that, click on edit prompt and the offer details are coming from this part of the board. And you can see here, you also need to collect name, email address to deliver our offer details link. That's one part of the prompt. You scroll down here, I have added another section in here. So I have added another section called important here. And you can see, ask for full name and email address before giving them the link. If the user is not willing to give their contact details, do not share the link. And if they are not willing to give the details, politely make them understand that we need those details in order for the automation to run. And finally, here is the offer link, which is a trigger link. So for a trigger link to work, you need to have a contact details. Even though it is connected to a contact, when a chat is initiated, we still don't have their contact details. That's why we have prompt asking for their full name and email address and do not give this trigger link without those details. So this is how easy it is to use your GoHighLevel conversational AI to trigger an automation by adding this trigger link. And if you want to add a trigger link, all you have to do is click here on custom value and scroll all the way down and find the trigger link. And this is the trigger link I'm using. So when the bot gives that link, it becomes an actual link. And the contact can use it. So this is how you can also do the same. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. That's all for today. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.